To run a sequence, select Run Test or press F5. To run part of a sequence, select Run Sequence. Select the desired part number and the most recently released sequence will appear in the list of work instructions. A serial number must also be entered or selected by pressing the Find button at the end of the serial number field. Once this is completed, select Continue. To run only one step, select the step and select Execute Single Step. Steps can also be edited in the Run Sequence window, but require special privileges to do so. The sequence can also be looped by selecting the Loop button, choosing how many times it should loop, and whether or not it should stop looping on a failure. To run only part of the test, select the first step desired in the partial test sequence, then Shift-click the desired last step. After this, go to the Selection menu and choose Select Highlighted to make those steps the only ones that are run. Select Execute Sequence or press F5 to run the selected steps of the sequence. This is a manual measurement that the operator passes if the measurement is the value it's supposed to be according to the text step. This step is a wait step that's length can be altered. Select Save and Exit to create a report of the test. Select Print to print to the default printer or Return to save the report to the network drive. Select Continue to save the report to the network drive. Selecting Not Now or Never will not save the results of the test to the network drive. To resume the test, select Resume Sequence and select the same part and serial number as the incomplete test sequence. The test executive will default to the first and last steps that are incomplete to being the start and end points for the test. Select Execute Sequence to resume the test sequence. Selecting Save and Exit will produce a report that also includes the results of the first portion of the test. Selecting Return and Continue will save the results of the report to the network drive. A test that has already been run can be ran again by selecting Run Completed Sequence and selecting the desired part number and serial number. Start and end points also have to be set. From here, the test is ran like the previous tests. This test runs the entire test. Creating a report and saving it to the network drive will make this test the most recently ran test for this part and serial number.